Welcome back to the Dynamic Dose. In today's episode of our worm series, we explore a fascinating remedy, Chelone Glabra, often called the universal enemy of worms. Chelone is a strong anti-helmintic that is effective against roundworms, threadworms, and even those hidden infestations that disturbs digestion and sleep. Beyond being just a vermifuge, this remedy also helps restore tone and vitality to the digestive tract. Because the real problem in the worm infestation is not just the worms, but the weak gut environment that allows them to thrive. When a patient needs Chelone, you will often find persistent nausea, foul breath, and a coated tongue. They feel tired, dull, and sometimes disgusted with food. There is a dragging sensation in the abdomen, as if something alive is moving inside, and the stools may contain mucus or visible worms. Mentally, the children patient is irritable, sluggish, and indifferent. They may complain, but they don't have the energy to act. That dull toxic state from chronic infestation. You can remember Chelvan as the remedy that cleans the system, not only removing worms, but improving the tone of the digestive organs. It's specially suited to people who have had long standing worm troubles, often with poor digestion and offensive smell from mouth or stool. Modalities are simple: worse in the morning or after eating fatty food, better from open air and gentle activity. So, whenever you see a patient with general worm infestation, dull digestion, and foul symptoms, think of Chelone Glabra as your natural detoxifier and destroyer of parasites. In the next episode, we will dive into a modern vermifuge that gave wonderful results in hookworm diseases, that is, carbon tetrachloride and its companion, Chenopodium. Stay tuned and keep your doses dynamic. Thank you.